Hi everyone! So today I'm going to be creating some springtime DIYs. Why? Because Dollar Tree already has spring items. Welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. In this channel, you're going to see a lot of easy and inexpensive DIYs for your home and also seasonal. And at times, I'll be doing some trash to treasure flips. So if this is something that interests you, I'm going to ask that if you would please consider to subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon right there in that corner so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. So today I'm going to be creating some springtime decor because Dollar Tree is already getting all the Easter and spring florals. So I decided that before Dollar Tree runs out of all these items, I decided to go ahead and do these DIYs so that you can run to your Dollar Tree and go get those items because I know that they run out really fast. On my last video, I did a DIY where I used Dollar Tree ceramic houses. And so many of you were commenting that your Dollar Tree did not have them. I apologize. Actually, when I went to my Dollar Tree, they only had 5 left. And I asked the lady there at the register, how long have you had these ceramic homes? And she said, about 2 weeks. It was a surprise to me because I had not seen them. I'm at Dollar Tree every single week and I had not come across them. So I apologize that you all can't find those homes. Hopefully they'll hit your Dollar Tree soon. I know that this video is geared to a springtime decor, but I did want to incorporate some words that involves love and family. Since February is just around the corner and that is the month that we express love to our family, our husbands, our children, I decided to kind of incorporate words that just express those feelings that we have towards our loved ones. Before that we get started, I just want to invite you to follow me on my social media. I have my Facebook group called Belinda's DIYs and also my Instagram that is named the same way, Belinda's DIYs. Please go and check out my other social medias. I will be linking my social medias down below in the description box. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. For the first DIY, I'll be using 6 mini wooden pallets, and these are from Dollar Tree. And also one 8-inch bamboo embroidery hoop, and this was about $1.49 at Walmart. Some craft sticks, and this love tin sign, and this is from Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 3, and this was in the Valentine section. And also from Dollar Tree, this lavender florals and some twine, some Rust-Oleum spray paint in the color flat black, some black acrylic paint, and a branch from this eucalyptus. I started by painting this love tin sign, but it didn't work out, so I ended up spray painting it. Next, I moved on painting the hoop with the black acrylic paint. Once the paint was already dry, I started to arrange my florals where I wanted them to be, and I decided to place them there where the metal is from the hoop. And then I started to hot glue them, and then I would just layer them on top of each other. And then next I moved on to adding the twine, and what I did is add a little bit of hot glue there at the base of the florals, and then I just started to wrap the twine around and around until I was completely done covering the metal part. And then once I was done, I turned it to the back side and I added a dot of hot glue, and then I cut off the twine. And this is how the hoop looks now with the florals. What I'm doing here is arranging the palettes, how I'm going to be hot gluing them together. And I'm basically just going to form a platform. I'm going to start by adding some hot glue on the edge of one of the palettes, and then I'm going to join the other one to it. And now I'm going to repeat the same step. I'm going to put some more hot glue on the edge of the palette, and then I'll join the third one. And now I'm going to repeat the same steps to these 3 palettes. And now I'm going to join both of the sections together. And now I'm going to turn it over to the back side so that I can reinforce it. Next, I'm going to add some more hot glue on the back side where both of the pieces join together. The next thing that I did is cut pieces of popsicle sticks, and I'll be using those to reinforce the 2 sections that I glued together. Next, I turned it over to the front side, and I placed the hoop in the center of the platform, and then I started to hot glue it. Then I added some dots of hot glue to the left side, and I put it in the center of the hoop. For the next DIY, I'll be using a round mirror from Dollar Tree, 1 plastic flower pot, also from Dollar Tree, some Waverly chalk paint in the color white, a floral foam, and these word stickers. I found these at Dollar General. Some decorative nautical rope from Dollar Tree. Spring has arrived. Well, at Dollar Tree that is. So I'm going to be using some of these florals, the different lavenders, the deeper purples, the lighter purples, and some of these blooming branches, and a piece of foam board. Okay, so I'm going to start by marking off the center of the planter. And then with my marker, I'm going to follow all the way down using my ruler as my guide. And then I'm going to turn it around to the other side and do the same thing. And then on the bottom side, I'm just going to connect the 2 lines. And now as you can see, I have the line all the way around. The line is not really directly in the center, but that's fine. Next, I'm going to take my wire cutters and I'm going to cut down the line. It was a bit hard cutting through that hard plastic, but eventually I got it done. The next thing that I'm going to do now is place the half planter over my foam board, and then I'm going to trace around it. Next, I'll be using my box cutters to cut the outline of my planter. Okay, so now that I have my foam board, I'm going to go ahead and glue it onto my planter. Now it's going to form a wall, and so now I've transformed a regular planter into a wall planter. Next, I'm going to be brushing on some white Waverly paint, and I'm going to be using the dry brush technique. And for those of you that don't know what that technique is, basically what you do is you just add a little bit of paint to your dry brush and then you brush it on your object. If you happen to have picked up too much paint, you can just brush it off and then just brush it on your object. And now my planter looks a little weathered and rustic. And now for my stickers, I'm going to be using the word family, and I'm going to put it across my planter. Next, I cut pieces of the foam board and I put it inside the planter. And now I was ready to start adding my florals. One thing that I like to do is spread my florals apart as I'm doing there. It just makes them look fuller. I did have to trim the stem down because it was too long. I just continued arranging the florals until I was happy with them. Next, I started on the mirror, and all I did was add some nautical rope all around the mirror. I covered the top part of the frame, and then I went one time around the outer edge. And then once I cleaned the mirror really well, I started adding the rest of the sticker words on my mirror. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. And remember, love, laugh, and create. Until my next video, bye-bye and God bless. And please don't forget to go and follow me on my other social medias. Bye!